हमारे शॉर्ट एंड लैब प्रयागराज चैनल पर आप सभी का एक बार पुनः बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। यहाँ पर एक पैसेज आपको मिलेगा पटना और झारखंड हाई कोर्ट के बेस पे। ये जनरल पैसेज है और इस पैसेज का स्पीड जो रखा गया है वो 100 और 110 के बीच में। बहुत ही मॉडरेट पैसेज रखेंगे, आराम से लिखेंगे, कोई हिचकिचाहट नहीं, कोई घबराहट नहीं। तो हम स्टार्ट करें डिक्टेशन। नाउ बी रेडी। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पैसेज है। स्टार्ट। फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन refers to the right to express one's opinions or thoughts freely by utilizing any of the different modes of communication available. The ideas aired should, however, not cause any intentional harm to other personality or status through false or ambiguous statements. Communication of ideas can be achieved through speech, writing, or art. Freedom of expression, unlike freedom of thought, may be regulated by the appropriate authorities in any society in order to avoid controversies between different individuals. The extent to which this limitation or censorship is done varies from nation to nation and is dependent on the government of the day. According to the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, every individual has the right to search for information, access, and impart variety of ideas irrespective of the frontiers. The subject of freedom of expression has always been controversial, especially when considering political aspects. A state is perceived to have the mandate to impede people from convening groups in which they air their opinions if those views can result in direct harm to other people. However, the interference would only be an exception if doing so results in more beneficial outcomes than standing aside. For one to be in a position to gauge the eventuality of a gain or a loss, then there should be absolute freedom of expression on all matters, irrespective of the nature of the sentiments made. In case the opinion happens to be wrong, mankind stands a chance of getting a clearer picture of the known truth through collusion with a mistake. Therefore, freedom of expression acts in the best interests of mankind as it endeavors to progress, and its limitation deprives people of the prospects of growth. Whether we let expression of an opinion to be limited or censored, whereas it could be true, then we present ourselves as beyond reproach. We consider all that we know to be the truth and therefore dispel all opinions that question this truth. It is possible for people or authorities to be in fault. For instance, what we consider to be morally right or wrong may not be so. The lines that define moral rights and wrongs were set by people who could possibly have mistaken. In order to draw the limit, one must differentiate between sureness and the truth. Our certainty that a particular idea is false does not in any way excuse its expression. Suppressing such an idea would not only justify our confidence of the opinion being wrong, but also proves that we are flawless. If limitation of people's freedom of expression in matters such as racism is based on certainty that mankind does not stand to lose any benefit, then this sureness should be founded in the freedom itself. We can only consider ourselves to be certain when there have been no opinions raised to question the truths we hold. Therefore, in order to boost our certainty, we have to leave room for the opposing beliefs. Full stop. ओके देखिए 500 वर्ड का डिक्टेशन है, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पैसेज है क्योंकि एक टॉपिक का पैसेज है ये। ओके लिखने के बाद टाइप जरूर करिएगा और यहाँ जो कुछ लिखा है एक बार ज़रूर उसको पढ़ लीजिएगा, आप ही के लिए लिखा हुआ है, और लाइक ज़रूर कर लीजिएगा। ओके थैंक यू सो मच।